Hello, my name is Melissa. I'm with the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're going to work together to show you how to add a wood top. I was able to purchase a vintage sewing machine at an auction. It was missing its machine part and had a hole in the top. In order to add a new barnwood faux top, I went to Lowe's and purchased plank wood. I purchased lumber that was straight, without any bowing. Supplies needed for this project: lumber, screws, drill, chop saw, stain, polyacrylic, and brushes. After measuring, I cut my lumber to size. I then sanded the edges along the sides as well as the top. I lined up the planks on the top of the table, leaving a 1/2 inch to 1 inch overhang on either side. I then aged my boards and distressed the boards to make them look authentic. Wearing gloves, apply your stain liberally to the boards, in the direction of the wood grain. Use 2 coats if necessary. If needed, tape your boards down so they don't move, and pre-drill your holes for your screws. Using screws, drill down your boards to the top of the table. In order to seal your barnwood, use Minwax polyacrylic. Using a brush with long, flat strokes, apply liberally to the entire piece, including the edges and the sides. That's how simple it is to add a barnwood top to any tabletop surface. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos.